Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program a Chevy Traverse key fob. First, ensure you have all key fobs, both old and new, that you want to link to your vehicle. Make sure the engine is completely off and all vehicle doors are closed. You will also need to locate and remove the small emergency key blade from one of your existing working key fobs. This tiny key is crucial for initiating the programming sequence. Now, let's get your Traverse into programming mode. Take your two already programmed key fobs and place them securely in the vehicle's cup holder. Next, insert the emergency key blade you just removed into the driver's door lock cylinder. Turn this key counterclockwise to the unlock position 5 separate times within a quick 10-second window. Your driver information center should then display a message indicating it is ready for a new remote. With the vehicle in programming mode, it's time to add your new key fob. Locate the transmitter pocket, usually found within the center console storage area, and place your new key fob inside. Without pressing the brake, press the engine start/stop button once. The vehicle's display will confirm that the new key fob has been recognized. After this, remove the key fob from the pocket and press either the lock or unlock button on the remote itself. If you have more key fobs to program, simply repeat the previous steps for each one. Once all your key fobs are programmed, press and hold the engine start/stop button for approximately 12 seconds to exit the programming mode. Finally, test every single key fob to ensure they all lock, unlock, and start the vehicle correctly. Remember, your Chevy Traverse can accommodate up to 8 distinct key fobs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.